moisturize my face with SSCPL Face Serum. You can use any moisturizer you want to use. Then I'm going to use primer of Makeover Professional Company. Then I'm going to do my eyebrows with L'Oreal Paris Eyebrow Kit. Now it's time to do my eye makeup. I'm going to use Kryolan Company's concealer shade FS28. Then from Passion Color eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use black color. Apply eyeshadow to outer corner and then blend it to inner corner of your eyes. Then I'm going to use burgundy shade and smudge it with black eyeshadow. After this, I'm going to cut my crease with the help of concealer of Kryolan Company. And with the help of finger, I'm going to apply red color shimmer eyeshadow from the same palette. To give more dramatic look, I am going to use Studio Lash mascara. And then it's time for liner, ice matte liner. Now it's time for base makeup. I am using Lakme Absolute Mousse Foundation. Shade is golden medium. And then just I'm going to blend it. And then I'm going to use translucent powder of Kryolan Company shade TL9. After that I'm going to apply kajal of K Beauty Company. Then it's time for blush, Matte Look Beauty Blush Palette. I'm going to mix all the shades. I guess it's not a perfect outfit, so let's go for the final look. Ta-da! Oh yeah, I have used Maybelline New York Burgundy shade lipstick. So this is how I get quickly ready for any unplanned parties or any birthday function.